This tutorial shows the Canva interface in Spanish, but the steps are the same in any Canva account. Welcome, and thank you for purchasing the Beauty Experience menu. This is an editable Canva catalog created for beauty professionals who want to present their services in a more elegant and professional way. Instead of using a simple price list, this template helps you show your treatments as experiences with clear benefits and a stronger brand image. In this tutorial, I will show you how to open your delivery PDF, access the Canva template, create your own editable copy, customize it with your salon branding, and download it for print, tablet, email, or WhatsApp. This video shows the Canva interface in Spanish, but the steps are the same in any Canva account. First, open the PDF file included with your purchase. Inside the PDF, you will find the links to the Canva templates, the instructions, and the tutorial video. You can choose the English version or the Spanish version. Click on the Canva template link you want to use. Canva will open the shared template. If you do not have a Canva account yet, Canva may ask you to log in or create a free account. Click on View Template or Use Template to create your own editable copy. This is important because your copy will be saved inside your own Canva account, and the original template will not be modified. Once the template opens in Canva, you can start customizing it. On the cover page, replace the sample salon name with the real name of your salon, spa, or beauty studio. You can also upload your logo and place it where the template says, "Place your logo here." If you do not have a logo yet, you can create a simple one directly in Canva using text, initials, or decorative elements. You can also change the colors to match your brand. Select the text or design element you want to modify, and choose your brand color from the top menu. You can customize the slogan, the title, the images, the logo, the contact details, and the overall style of the catalog. The idea is to make the template feel like your own brand, not just a generic catalog. Now let's edit the treatment pages. Each treatment includes a treatment name, a main benefit, a short description, images, and price. You can keep the examples as inspiration, but you should adapt everything to your real services, products, techniques, and professional criteria. Click on the treatment name and replace it with your own signature treatment name. Then edit the main benefit, the description, the duration, the price, and the currency. You can use euros, dollars, pounds, or your local currency. To replace an image, select the current image, delete it or replace it, and upload your own photo or choose a suitable image from Canva. If an image or element requires Canva Pro and you do not have Canva Pro, you can replace it with a free alternative. You can also delete pages you do not need, duplicate pages, move elements, and adapt each section to your own salon. Inside the instructions, you will also find a ChatGPT prompt. You can use this prompt to create signature names for your treatments. For example, instead of using a basic name like facial cleansing, you can create a more attractive name such as new skin ritual. Instead of saying relaxing massage, you could use deep calm experience. A good signature treatment name can include the result your client wants, the skin or body need, the main ingredient, the technique used, and the feeling you want to communicate. You can also use the cosmetic products you already work with. Review their ingredients, benefits, and technical information. This can help you create more professional treatment names and descriptions. The goal is not to compete only by price, but to communicate the experience, the benefit, and the value behind each treatment. When your catalog is ready, review all pages carefully. Check your logo, prices, treatment names, images, contact details, and spelling. To download the catalog, click on Share and then Download. Choose Standard PDF if you want to send it by email or WhatsApp. Choose PDF Print if you want to send it to your preferred print shop. You can also download some pages as PNG or JPG if you want to use them on social media. You can use this catalog digitally, on a tablet during consultations, by WhatsApp, by email, or printed in your salon reception or waiting area. Some clients appreciate being able to see and touch a printed catalog. It can also help you explain treatments, packages, and quotes in a more professional way. This template is not only a beautiful design, it is a commercial tool to help you present your services with more value and professionalism. Thank you again for your purchase. I hope this beauty experience menu helps you show your treatments in a more elegant and professional way.